Welcome to the HIKMICRO MiniE, a portable thermal revolution. This tiny device plugs into your phone, bringing industrial-grade thermal imaging into the palm of your hand. Technology is shrinking. Industrial power is now a consumer reality. The MiniE makes advanced thermal imaging accessible to everyone. The device weighs just 20 grams and requires no battery. With a minimal 0.31 watt power draw, you get 6 to 8 hours of usage from your phone. While the sensor captures 96 by 96 pixels, SuperIR technology creates an enhanced resolution of 192 by 192 pixels in real time. Competitors typically use 9 Hz. The MiniE delivers a smooth 25 Hz frame rate, ensuring a fluid and responsive visual experience. The camera measures extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius. It guarantees high accuracy with a sensitivity of less than 50 mK and a focus-free 50 degrees by 50 degrees field of view. The MiniE app automatically tracks hotspots and allows users to choose from 15 different color palettes to visualize thermal data effectively. The MiniE is the base model for entry-level users. For higher resolution, consider the Mini 2 V2. The Mini 2 Plus adds manual focus for professionals. Users appreciate the tiny size, smooth 25 Hz video, and excellent price value. However, some professionals desire a better base resolution and less dependency on a lightning adapter. With smart software maximizing tiny hardware, thermal imaging is now accessible to everyone. Experience the power of the HIKMICRO MiniE.